2012 में।
वो एक मेरे दोस्त हैं दूर के, उनकी थी शादी की सालगिरह। पता है मुझे क्या कहते, मेरी शादी की बर्थडे है। और मैंने कहा भाई शादी की बर्थडे नहीं होती। मैंने कहा कितने साल हो गए? कहता जी 8 साल हो गए शादी को। तो मैंने कहा 8 साल हो गए, अभी भी खुशी नहीं तेरी खत्म हो रही। अब कौन मनाता है शादी की एनिवर्सरी एंड ऑल दैट स्टफ, लेकिन कुछ लोग भोले होते हैं और इन सारी बातों का यासीन साहब के साथ कोई ताल्लुक नहीं है। ठीक है, ये मैं इंडिविजुअली बात कर रहा हूँ अपने लेवल पे। अच्छा जी, तो लगा दिए कैमरा? लगा। राइट, इनकी आपकी भी आज ही है वैसे। हैप्पी वेडिंग एनिवर्सरी। आप विश करना चाहें तो कर सकते हैं ना अभी। हैप्पी बर्थडे। मैंने कहा बर्थडे कैसे? कहते सर उसी दिन बर्थ हुई थी शादी की। तो ऑलराइट, चलें जी, माशाल्लाह, अल्लाह ताला आपको खुश रखे। चंद लोग ही ऐसे हैं जो वेडिंग एनिवर्सरी मनाते हैं, वरना तो यहाँ चुंडी रखी होती है, मिसेज ने खुश हो रहे होते हैं। हादसा आंदा ही नहीं है। ओके, सो फील हैप्पी, पार्ट ऑफ DHA. All right. What is DHA? Defense Housing Authority or something else? Okay, something else. बाद में बताइएगा. So, feel happy. Is there anything or anyone that makes you feel happy?
Yes, of course. I feel happy very often. My father sometimes talks to me about their past stories. So they are very funny sometimes and very interesting. So therefore, I really feel
happy. And you can say such stories amuse me a lot, and I really feel happy. So to answer your question, my father's past stories really entertain me a lot. Amusement, entertainment, feel happy, excited, all these words should be linked. And this is what examiner wants to see, right? Yeah, let's see. What do you do to stay happy?
Yeah, I oftenly used to stay happy. Sometime exercise.
I take exercise to stay happy.
I take exercise to stay happy.
Just a second. Whenever you start your answer, first generalize the answer. For example, what do you do to stay happy? I do quite a lot of things to stay happy. First of all, I often take exercise to become happy, because when I take exercise, it gives me some good, something like that. Okay, so answer again. What do you do to stay happy?
Sorry.
Come on again. What do you do to stay happy?
I oftenly.
Oftenly is not right. Oftenly, fastly, ये दोनों words English के नहीं, ये हमने बनाए हुए हैं ज़बरदस्ती के.
So, I use different things to stay happy.
आहिस्ता खुलेंगे आप हैं. I use different things to stay happy. All right. So, okay, listen. Answer in your own way. आप जैसे answer कर रहे थे ना, वैसे ही answer करें. What do you do to stay happy?
No, sir. This time it's
बच्चा शर्मा गया ना. Okay. All right. Can you stay happy all the time?
Not all the time. Actually, it varies on the different occasions. Sometimes I am in a very stressful situation, so that time I cannot feel happy moreover the day. So therefore, I cannot happy all over the time.
I cannot be happy all the time. Right? Okay, instead of all the time, you can use 24/7.
24
I cannot
7.
be happy 24/7 and all that. Okay, is it important to be happy?
Yeah, happiness is very important for a healthy life, and it is very important for any person because no, sorry.
Come on, just make up your mind, okay? So anyways, you just need to organize your answer.
This topic is very dry for me.
It isn't.
Yeah.
Feeling happy is dry, then what is wet? हाँ वही ना, वो फिर खुशी संभाली नहीं गई. So just understand the topics, and they can be any unusual topic as well. So just go through all the topics so that you are familiar. And let me tell you, there is a technique to answer every question. For example, is it important to be happy? Say, happiness is really significant for a human life. Significant is for important. Happiness is significant for human life. If we are not happy, then there is no purpose of life. So I think happiness is something that is the most important. Above all, whatever you do, your family, your career and all that, if you are not happy, then there is no purpose of that. So to answer your question, happiness is the top priority in a human life. So it is very important for me as well to be happy. वही बात के आगे पीछे घूमना है, इधर जाओ फिर वापस आ जाओ, इधर जाओ फिर वापस आ जाओ, इधर जाओ फिर वापस आ जाओ, वापस कहाँ पे आना है? क्वेश्चन पे आना है. हाँ ठीक है, चल, ओके, थैंक यू.